one of the greatest dates I've ever been on, I actually think I was the bad date. So I was chatting to this guy and we were talking for a couple of weeks and like FaceTiming, getting to know each other, and he said, I want you to come over. He lived in London. He picks me up from the airport and we're having a little bit, like, same kind of thing, bring back slagging. He was an older kind of guy and he had this leather jacket on, and I was like, oh, is that part one of the midlife crisis? What's next, the motorcycle? And he was like, oh, I actually do have a bike. And I was like, I'm only joking. We get into the taxi 5 minutes in. I think I'm sick. Oh. He tried to pull a sickie while I was there. And I was like, no, hardly. You are pulling a sickie on me. Like, because I was like the young hot thing. So we get to the hotel, he checks me in, and sayonara, he left. And I'm sat there in a 5-star hotel in London on me Todd. Didn't even have to go to dinner with him. I was delighted. The best day ever.